Hello, my name is Kshusha, welcome to my channel. Today we will make lucky stars together. These stars are a simple but very beautiful origami. Crafter. They will beautifully decorate any interior, and with the upcoming New Year holidays they will perfectly complement your New Year gifts. To make them we will need A4 sheets, from which we need to cut long strips 1 cm wide. Actually, I always thought that assembling such a star was very difficult, but after trying again and again, it's insanely simple. We take a strip and tuck the left end under the main strip, forming a half figure 8 like this. Then we need to thread the same left end down through the loop that has formed, like this, and pull it tight lightly. Tighten and flatten it. And now the beginning is ready. Next we take the free left end, fold it back, simply bend it and leave it behind. The remaining ribbon, again from the back we simply wrap it around the star and it lays itself as it needs to. Our star has a total of 5 sides, therefore the ribbon lays as it needs to and wraps around each side. In this way we thicken our figure. And at the end, we hide the remaining free end in a pocket. That's how the main part is ready. Now, on each side, we press in the center with a fingernail. We do this on each side and we form a 3-dimensional star. I think it's some kind of magic. It's all very simple. I will show you this several times. It's better to use paper that is not too thin but also not cardboard. Naturally, a medium density paper for printing will ensure you have no difficulties. So, after sitting for just a little while, I managed to make this many stars without much effort. I think they are perfect for wrapping some kind of gift. For example, you make a box with a gift inside and cover it. With these little stars, it's very cute. So subscribe if you haven't already and hit the bell to not miss any new interesting videos. I wish everyone lots of happiness. We'll say goodbye for a short while. Bye bye. Bye.